Okay, it called me back and I see where it is now. I see you now. There you are. Let's see if I can zoom in. Now the sun's in my eyes. Let's see where I can go. Ah, it's so mucky. Yuck. There we go. Sorry for the shaking, guys. I'm old and stressed. Oh my God. Let's see if I can hold this still. I'm so sorry. Hi, baby. You want to give all your fans a hoot? Mosquitoes are tearing me up. Give your fans a hoot and I'm going to go back up. The mosquitoes are getting me. You want to tell them hello? Oh, I can't handle it, you guys. They're swarming me now. I'm sorry. All right, I miss you. Come see me.